Hello everybody, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for Tuesday, November 17th, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you have established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, comments from Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke initially sent the dollar to test the 148.80 level, but the market quickly determined that this was yet more of the same, words that aren't going to be backed up by action. The dollar bulls quickly gave up, and the dollar retreated back above its opening levels, and the euro closed the day just over 149.50. U.S. retail sales data overnight proved that the real recovery isn't so strong. Core retail sales, ex-autos, only increased by 0.2%, half of what was expected, and much worse than the 1.4% gain with the autos included. We will most likely see another run towards 150.50 tonight, as dollar bears are once again on the move. Currently looking at the euro dollar on the daily, trading at 149.85. Euro is already making ground in the Asian session. First area of resistance is going to be at the 150 mark. Above 150, we're going to test 150.20. A break of 150.20 is going to test 150.50. And remember, 150.60 being the high, right above this 150.50 line. Keep an eye on that major area, 150.60. That being broken, the euro can definitely attempt to push higher. First level of support for the euro is going to be at 149.50. Below that will be 149.20. We'll be looking for 148.20 and 148 as our third and fourth level of support. And finally 147.20. Moving averages are still pointing up. Things are looking good for the euro. Pound dollar currently making higher highs as of yesterday, trading at 168.44. Just a moment ago, we were trading at 168.30. Our first level of resistance is at the 168.50 mark. Above that, we'll be looking at yesterday's high of 168.80. Above that, we'll be looking to target 170. Pound continues to outgain the euro, something that we weren't expecting. We'll see if the pound carries enough strength to push above into the 170 area. First level of support is going to be at the 167.20. Below that, we'll be looking for 167. 166.50 falls below. And finally, our fourth and fifth level of support for the pound is going to be at 165.20 and 164.50. Dollar Swissy currently trading at 100.65. Also making lower lows as of yesterday. We're going to look at 100.30 as our first level of support for the dollar. Parity levels falls below that, and we've been following this trend line. That's going to be just under 100 even. Breaking below that and the trend line, we're going to be targeting 98.80. First level of resistance for the dollar comes at 101. Above that, we'll be looking for 101.30. Above that will be 102 and 102.80. And if we manage to break above 102.80, we will be targeting 103.50 as our last level of resistance. Dollar yen currently trading at 88.94. First level of support is going to be at 88.80 for the dollar. Second level of support for the dollar will be at 88.20. Below that, we'll be looking at 87.20. And we already mentioned the 85 level quite some time ago. Still quite a ways away. We want to see if we can get to this 87.20 area first. So we're going to leave that area out, but keep that in mind for future reference. First level of resistance for the dollar will be at 89.50. That's going to be a major area of resistance. We saw this being a nice area of support for quite some time. Now it's going to turn into a big area of resistance, so keep that in mind. 90.80 is our second level of resistance, followed by 91.50, 92, and 92.30. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, free daily Forex video for November 17th, 2009. Until tomorrow, everybody, good luck trading.